Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add logo in header on WordPress website. Why would you want to know how to add logo in header on WordPress website? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to add the logo in header on WordPress website. So today I am going to show you how to add the logo in header on WordPress website. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding the logo in header on WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will add logo in header on WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to appearance in the left menu and then click on customize. Now in this screen click on site identity and then click on select logo. Now select a file from your computer and then click on select in the right lower corner. Crop your image and then click on publish and your logo has been added. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add logo in header on WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.